Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share motivation, financial freedom, and personal development tips. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 money-making methods that rich people hide from ordinary people. These are the secrets of the wealthy that they don't want you to know. These are the hidden income sources that they use to grow their wealth and avoid taxes. These are the wealth creation strategies that they apply to achieve financial success and freedom. If you want to learn how to make money like the rich, then keep watching this video until the end. You will discover some of the most effective and powerful ways to increase your income and net worth in 2023. Method 1. Business deductions. One of the ways that rich people hide their money from the IRS is by using business deductions. This means that they start a business or multiple businesses and use them to write off their expenses and losses. This reduces their taxable income and saves them a lot of money in taxes. For example, if you have a business, you can deduct things like office rent, equipment, supplies, travel, advertising, etc. You can also pay yourself a salary or dividends from your business and put them into tax-deferred accounts like solo 401k plans. These accounts allow you to save more money for retirement than traditional 401k plans because you can contribute both as an employer and an employee. You don't have to be wealthy to use this method. You can start a business or formalize a side hustle with a simple visit to the websites of your Secretary of State and the IRS. Once you establish your business, you can use it as a vehicle to reduce your taxes and increase your income. Method 2. Hiring family members. Another tactic that rich people use to shield their money from taxes is by hiring their family members and paying them a salary. This way, they can transfer some of their income to their spouse or children who are in lower tax brackets. They can also deduct the salaries as business expenses and save more money in taxes. For example, if you have a business, you can hire your spouse or children and assign them tasks that are related to your business. You can pay them a reasonable amount for their work and withhold any necessary payroll taxes. They can then use the money to pay for their expenses or invest in tax-deferred accounts. This method is not only beneficial for tax purposes but also for family bonding and education. You can teach your spouse or children valuable skills and knowledge that they can use in their own careers or businesses in the future. Method 3. Vacation homes. Vacation homes are another way that rich people hide their money from Uncle Sam, according to realtor Brian Vance, founder of Bucks and Cents. He says that rich people often buy vacation homes in desirable locations and use them as rental properties or Airbnb listings. They can then deduct the mortgage interest, property taxes, maintenance costs, depreciation, etc., as business expenses. For example, if you have a vacation home that you rent out for part of the year, you can deduct the expenses related to the rental activity from your rental income. You can also use the vacation home for personal purposes for up to 14 days or 10% of the rental days without losing the tax benefits too. This method allows you to enjoy your vacation home while making money from it and saving money on taxes. You can also appreciate the value of your property over time and sell it for a profit later. Method 4. Offshore accounts. Offshore accounts are one of the most notorious ways that rich people hide their money from the government. Offshore accounts are bank accounts or shell companies that are located in countries with low or no taxes, such as Switzerland, Panama, or the Cayman Islands. These countries also offer high levels of secrecy and protection for their clients' assets and identities. 3. By using offshore accounts, rich people can avoid paying taxes on their income, capital gains, dividends, interest, etc. They can also conceal their wealth from authorities and creditors and protect it from lawsuits and confiscation. However, this method is also very risky and illegal. The IRS requires U.S. citizens and residents to report their foreign financial assets and income on their tax returns and pay taxes on them. If they fail to do so, they can face severe penalties, fines, and even criminal prosecution. Therefore, this method is not recommended for anyone who wants to make money like the rich. It is better to use legal and ethical ways to reduce your taxes and grow your wealth. Method 5. Charitable donations. Charitable donations are another way that rich people hide their money from the IRS while doing some good for the world. By donating money or assets to qualified charitable organizations, rich people can deduct the amount of their donations from their taxable income and lower their tax bill. They can also avoid paying capital gains taxes on the appreciated value of their donated assets. For example, if you have stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets that have increased in value over time, you can donate them to a charity of your choice and claim a tax deduction for the fair market value of the assets at the time of the donation. You can also avoid paying taxes on the capital gains that you would have incurred if you had sold the assets instead. This method allows you to support a cause that you care about while saving money on taxes and reducing your taxable income. You can also enjoy the satisfaction and recognition that come with being a generous donor. These are the 5 money-making methods that rich people hide from ordinary people. By using these methods, you can make more money, pay less taxes, and achieve financial freedom in 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.